Hi everyone, welcome back to Our World TV. Today we have an amazing treat for you guys. We're in the kitchen and we have an awesome guest who's going to cook with us. Today we're cooking with the world-renowned Jamie Oliver.
Jamie, YouTube intro, take one.
Today me and Jamie, we're actually going to be cooking one of his amazing recipes. This is Jamie Oliver's book and the recipe is in his book, 5 Ingredients, which is really amazing book, guys. So I'm actually cooking Jamie's Aromatic Lamb curry from his new book. And we're gonna do it together and we're gonna show you how easy it is and we're gonna see how it turns out. So let's get cooking with Jamie. These are Jamie's 5. 2 large onions, 2 large aubergines, 200 grams Greek white yogurt, 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry paste, 400 grams lamb shoulder, which needs to be deboned. Alright guys, first things first. You're going to take your lamb, and it's nice and deboned for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut our lamb into around 3-centimeter pieces. So whatever's easier for you guys, if your butcher hasn't done it for you, just debone it. And you know, if you prefer to use a sharp knife, or if you prefer to use a pair of scissors, you can do that as well. Whatever's easier for you, just chop your lamb into around 3-centimeter pieces or cubes. Something like that, guys. Just like that. For your nice aromatic lamb curry. Alright, so now that we've cut our lamb into 3-centimeter cubes or pieces, we're going to move on to the aubergines and onions. Next, you're going to cut your aubergines into the same size as your lamb pieces, as well as your 2 onions. You're going to cut those also into around 3-centimeter cubes or pieces, just the same size as your lamb, guys. Alright guys, just take your casserole pan, or I'm just using a pot here because I don't have a casserole pan at the moment. So just take your lamb, place it in your pot, fat side down. For high heat, guys, it's got to be high heat. Hear that lamb sizzling? Just like that, guys. Just throw it in, fat side down, and boom. While you're doing that, make sure that your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, 375 Fahrenheit. Now just add in your vegetables, your lamb. Just stir it in the pan, guys. A little bit. After you give that a good stir, just season it up with some nice salt and pepper. You can be a bit generous.
Too much, it's too much. Oh, calm down, but I like it.
Next, you're going to put in 2 large tablespoons of your curry paste. One tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Mix that up all good, guys, just like that. Mix in your paste. Wow, I can already smell the fragrances, guys. It's smelling really good. Very aromatic, Jamie. Probably why you called it aromatic curry, isn't it?
Absolutely killer beautiful.
Now you're going to transfer your curry into an oven-safe dish or pan. You're going to cook it for 1 hour until the meat is nice and tender. Halfway through, you're going to stir it, and if it's a bit thick, you're just going to add a little dash of water, just to kind of loosen it up a bit, guys. If needed, if you need it. If it's a bit thick, just add a bit of water. Now that we've transferred our curry to an oven-safe dish or pan, you're going to throw it into the oven, guys. Alright guys, we've just taken Jamie Oliver's Aromatic Lamb curry out of the oven. What you're going to do now is you're just going to give it a little taste. You're going to try it out, and then you're going to season it to perfection. You want to add a bit of salt or some seasonings to get it to your palate. That's what you're going to do right now, guys. So I've had a chance to taste mine. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Alright guys, now you're going to hit it with a lot of pepper. Right, now you're going to ripple through your 200 grams of Greek yogurt into the curry, just like this. Ripple it through like that, guys. Now you're just going to drizzle over just a little bit of olive oil. Kind of like half a tablespoon. Now you're ready to plate this up and serve, guys. Enjoy. We really hope you guys had an awesome time with us making Jamie's Aromatic Lamb curry. Let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you guys. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification right next to the subscribe button so you guys can get notified of every epic video that we upload as soon as we upload it, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Much love from our world to yours.
If you love food, if you like having a laugh, then subscribe. That's recipes, fun, wonderful talent. See you soon.